Your hand-drawn sketches just became superpowers. In this video, I'm showing you how to transform rough pencil drawings into stunning AI-generated artwork using Adobe Firefly, no artistic perfection required. Start by scanning or photographing your sketch at high resolution. Clean it up slightly in Photoshop or your preferred editor, but keep the imperfections. They add character. Adobe Firefly actually thrives on rough line work. Import your sketch into Firefly as your base image. This is your creative blueprint that guides the entire AI generation process. Your text prompt is everything. Be specific about style, mood, and details. Instead of cool fantasy art, try dark fantasy oil painting with Gothic architecture, moody blue lighting, intricate details. Include artist references or art movements. Firefly understands context beautifully. Experiment with different prompts on the same sketch. You'll be amazed at the variations. Generate multiple variations using the same prompt. Use the in-painting feature to refine specific areas. Enhance that character's face or adjust background elements. Firefly's generative fill is incredibly intuitive. Don't settle on the first result. Iteration is where magic happens. Each refinement brings you closer to your artistic vision. Export your favorite generation in high resolution. Bring it back into Photoshop for final touches. Adjust colors, or blend with your original sketch. The best results combine AI generation with human artistic direction. This hybrid approach ensures your unique style shines through while leveraging AI's creativity. Hit that subscribe button for more AI art workflows and creative prompting secrets. Drop a comment telling us your favorite AI art tool.